Hello and welcome back to our channel. In this mini video, we would like to give you some amazing traveling tips for St.Tropez has long been on my list of places to visit, and it is just as glitzy as you would expect. After only a few hours, I was pleading with my husband Matt to arrange a return trip. Even he said he'd like to go back to St.Tropez, and I'm not quite as, passionate about travel as he is. It is simple to understand why the French Riviera has been a popular luxury vacation for so long given its effortless glamour, clear waters, and laid-back way of life. When Brigitte Bardot's and God-Created Woman launched the fame of the hitherto peaceful fishing town of St.Tropez, it attracted artists like Paul Signac and Henri Matisse, who subsequently made way for Hollywood celebrities. Accessing St.Tropez Street Tropez is the crown jewel of the French Riviera for good reason. It's not exactly very accessible. Because it's a small coastal town, you'll either need to fly into a nearby airport or take a train to get there unless you can jet set there on your yacht with a private chopper. Yep, I've seen this happen. The airports closest to St.Tropez are approximately 50 minutes away. Toulon-Hyères has regional flights. Nice, with international flights around 1 hour and 30 minutes away, we chose to take the train there so that we could also explore the French countryside while we were in Paris before our leg in St.Tropez. Saint-Raphael is the closest train station to St.Tropez. Activities in St.Tropez. Watch the yachts. St.Tropez's main pedestrian zone runs along the water and is surrounded by eateries, boutiques, and yachts. Hefty yachts. Although you can't enter any of them because they are private, it was still amazing to see these superboats up close. Spend the day at a famous beach club. It is essential to check out at least one or two of St.Tropez's beach clubs. In the summer, sunbeds fill up rapidly, so make your bookings as soon as you can, or ask your hotel if they can help. The primary beach in St.Tropez is really Pampelon Beach in the nearby town of Ramatoul. Go to the Citadel. The Citadel, which is a short distance from the top of St.Tropez village, reminded me a lot of Game of Thrones. It was constructed in the 17th century at the highest point of the town to enable guards to watch the village and identify prospective assailants. Try some wine. There's a good possibility that any rosé you've ever consumed originated in Côtes de Provence, a wine area in southeast France near the Mediterranean. The majority of the wine produced in this region is rosé, so it's worthwhile to visit one of the many nearby wineries to sample some. Please like and subscribe to our channel for life-changing content and hit the like button. Thank you for watching. Have a wonderful day.